I am on a mission to remove toxins from my house, from removing highly ultra processed foods, making my own foods, growing our own foods, as well as starting to create and use my own home products. That can be things like dryer sheets and replacing them with wool balls, to creating my own dishwashing soap, which I'm actually running quite low on, and we're gonna be showing you how to actually make your own dishwash soap today. Previously, I used to use these dishwash tablets from Cascade, and they did a pretty good job, but every single one is lined with a plastic liner, which can definitely leach into your foods, and not to mention, the ingredient list is quite long. We're gonna be making these dishwashing tablets that are only 3 ingredients. They're really easy to make. I'll make them in bulk, not very often, store them underneath my sink, and use them as needed. They still create a clean product with shine, and it's clear. So I really love it. And we're gonna break down how to make it so that you can do this at home as well. In order to make these, there are a few different things that you're gonna need. First off, you're gonna need a bowl, some measuring cups, as well as I use silicone ice cube trays. These were just from when I had my toddler and I was making them toddler food, or if you just have ice cube trays, you can use those. And then you're gonna have your 3 ingredients. The 3 ingredients are really simple and easy. You most likely have them around your house, and if not, I'll also provide links down below so you can quickly and easily order them on your own. The first one, baking soda. If you're looking to create a house where you're making a lot of the home products, baking soda is a really big part of this. It's a really great agent for cleaning, and you can buy it in pretty big bulk options at Costco, BJ's, anything like that. And that's the way to go here. The next item here is citric acid powder. You most likely do not have this in your house, and it is derived in a very natural way from primarily citric acid, citric fruits, but it's really great for preserving foods as well as using as a cleaning agent. You can even use it in bath bombs. So that is our second ingredient. And then our last ingredient here is dishwashing soap. So just your dish soap. We're gonna be adding a small amount of that. So first off, we're gonna get our bowl and we're gonna start mixing the ingredients together. I will oftentimes double the recipe, so you can definitely double, triple, make however much you want, and it does take around 12 hours to cool. So first up, we're gonna do 1 cup of our baking soda here. Add that to the bowl. Next up, we'll add 1/4 cup of our citric acid powder. I like to then mix these up a little bit so that they combine in our bowl and break up any clumps in your baking soda. Okay. I had a very clumpy baking soda. Your last ingredient, your 3rd ingredient, is just a tablespoon of your dish soap. You can use any kind that you want. I just kind of eyeball it, and then you're going to mix everything together. It's really quite crazy. Everything starts mixing and foaming and bubbling. Once everything is nice and combined, then we're going to pour it into our ice cube molds. It's really fun. It is a nice fluffy material, so it's fun to work with. And obviously it is food grade. You can definitely touch it and manipulate it with your hands, and it does grow a little bit during this stage. So I'll just pack it in here. I will also include the ice cube trays that I'm using here in the link. I think that they fit really well in my dishwasher. So hopefully they would fit well in yours. And if they don't fit, if you have one that's like an oblong shape, you don't have to worry about buying a new ice cube tray. You can always just throw the dishwasher tab into the bottom of the dishwasher and it's gonna fall there anyway, and it will still have a really good clean. My husband often does that if he can't fit it in a little dishwasher holder. Here are my trays. I made around 1.5 trays. I'm gonna go ahead, sit these on my counter. I usually leave them for a couple hours until they're hard and you can pop them out. And then I will go ahead and put them into a large mason jar that I have. I'll just make some nice big batches of these so I don't have to keep taking out the ingredients and remaking them. And you can see they just pop out and harden into their shape here. Any of the residue left in the bottom, you can also go ahead and mix with a new batch. You can reuse that, or you can just throw it in the dishwasher when you load that last one. I hope this was helpful. Best of luck making your own, and comment down below if you have a different recipe that you like to use, or if you try this and you really like it. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.